What's up, boys and girls? It is Ruthless here, and today I'm going to be making a video showing you guys how to put multiple custom sounds into your mission. We're going to be using CfgSounds. You might be familiar if you've seen my past videos. This tutorial is going to show you how to do multiple sounds, just with a few simple lines of code. So we're going to go into the editor and the multiplayer side of things. They're the same editor, except the only difference is if you use the multiplayer version, it just automatically puts the scenario in multiplayer, so you don't have to do that yourself. So we're gonna come down here. We're gonna throw down a deck crewman. You guys should already have like a playable person down if you're trying to do this tutorial. I'm not sure, but this deck crewman has gotten me through every tutorial. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna save the mission. So we're gonna save as, we're just gonna say CfgSounds, no biggie. And we're gonna come into here and we're gonna throw down two triggers. We're gonna throw down this one. We're gonna just make it a little bit half of the room. You can use any of these triggers that you want, as long as it can be activated by being walked into, or however you have it set up to. If you have it synchronized to an object, it's all up to your choice. We're gonna put it as any player, and we're gonna put it as repeatable. That way, if I need to let you guys hear it again, we can go ahead and have that happen. Then I'm going to just copy and paste it, and I'm going to put this one over here so that way we can have our second trigger. Alrighty, so now I'm going to come into here. I'm going to type cone, that way I can, you guys don't have to do this, but this is just so I can see where the trigger's at, so I don't accidentally walk into either of them when I'm trying to explain to you guys some things. Alright, so now that that's done, we're going to have our mission saved. We're going to go in the scenario. We're going to open scenario folder. Alright, so this is our scenario folder. This is the mother home of the entire mission. Everything that goes through this file is what happens in the mission. So we're going to go in the new. We're going to create a folder, and we're going to call it sound. You have to have it called sound. You don't really have another choice. Just call it sound. It'll make your life simple. We're going to come into here. We're going to put our two sound files in here. So .ogg is what I find best for Arma. .mp3, yes, it can work. I just would prefer OGG. I know it works, and it sounds great. Audio is completely fine. You can hear it for yourself if you want. Audio is great, so it's not bad. It's a few simple clicks. If you get your video off of YouTube, which YouTube to MP3 is usually what people use. Once you get your MP3 file, then you type MP3 to OGG in your Google, and it should be like the first website to pop up to convert it. So anyways, we'll come into back in our CfgSounds folder once you guys have your sound file in here. And we're going to create a new text document, and we're going to call it description. My bad, completely butchered the word. Description. Then we're going to put ext. So description.ext. So in this folder, we're gonna go into view here. If you guys do not have file name extensions on, it's not gonna create this immediately. So just make sure your file name extensions are on. And if they aren't on, then you'll just have to save as in all files for this to get it to come out as a ext file or an extension file. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. We're gonna pull it over here. Alrighty, so this is where the coding part begins. It's very simple. Just follow along, and I'll carry you guys through. Just how any normal person would do. At least it's semi-normal. I don't know if I'd consider myself normal, but then again, I don't know if anyone's truly ever normal. Alright, I put in name, the equals. So right here this is the spot. Also this spot here, this is where you're gonna put the name of your folder that is nsound, or not your folder, but the name of your sound file that's nsound. This is where you're gonna put it. There's three places. This is the next one right here. So you're gonna do sound, which this right here links to the sound file. That way it has something to play off of when you do this. So I'll go ahead and give it a quick run through after I finish up this little thing here. I keep hitting the wrong brackets. Alrighty. Which actually we're gonna throw that there. Alright, so right here, so sound \1.ogg. That is the name of my sound file. You're gonna put whatever your .ogg file name is here and here. You want to make sure it's in all three of those spots. This right here is your volume, and this right here is your pitch. I would suggest not changing the pitch. Volume is all up to you, as long as you just don't want to blow people's eardrums in your mission. I would say don't do that. I don't know if you want to do that to people, unless it's like your mission and you just want to go deaf for some reason. I don't know. It's completely up to you. But yeah, I'm just trying to make the tutorial as quick as possible for you guys. It's fairly simple. So this is the part people get really confused at for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I've been getting asked a ton in the comments. Hey, can you make this tutorial? It's really bothering me. I've been trying to get this to work in my mission. I can't figure out how to get multiple sounds. It's not working. So I finally just decided to take it into my own account and to make this for you guys. This should actually be here. That's gonna bother my OCD. So this is what it looks like. This is the code. Make sure you got everything exactly like this except for your names. You can name it whatever you want, or you can name it the exact same as mine. That way you just know for a fact that it's gonna work. So now we're gonna go ahead and head back in the game. Make sure you have it saved. We're gonna go to the first trigger here. So on activation, we're gonna call this we're not gonna call anything. I guess we're gonna call the thing here. So we're gonna put Playsound 1, then semicolon with the quotations. So Playsound quotations 1 quotation semicolon whatever. It's practically that. We can actually just copy and paste it, bring it over to here, and this second trigger we're gonna put 2. So now that we have this all saved up, we can go ahead and hit play scenario. We're gonna load in. Alrighty, so our trusty deck crew here. So on the left we got trigger 1, and on the right we got trigger 2. As soon as I walk into here, it's gonna start playing it. So this is the sound file 1. As you guys can see, it's playing the sound completely fine, no issues, no problem. And this is how you do it. It's as simple as that. It takes no time at all. Maybe the time that it takes is more so getting your actual sound file. Other than that, it's very quick. And here's number 2. Pretty epic music. It's whatever. I love using this type of music for my videos. I don't know. It makes it sound a lot better for no reason. So we'll walk into this one again, and I'll go ahead and close it out for you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this helped. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. If I do not respond in like a day or so, go ahead and just hit me up on Discord. The link will be in the description. Just join the Discord and send me a message, and I should respond to you pretty quickly and help you out. If you have any requests for any more types of tutorials like this, go ahead and leave suggestions down below, and I should get to them. Anyways, have a great rest of your day, and peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.